In this video, I'll give you a close-up of the Escort radar detector IXC, the update to the IX. This one is Wi-Fi capable. So this is not a review, just close-up. I'll go ahead and plug it in so you can see the screen and then the components that come with it. So we'll start off with the detector. Here's what the top looks like up close. If you think this is silver, it is not. It's like a bronze color. It's got pretty clean back with just a shaped lens here in the back. This is the magnetic mount. Has kind of a reflection-free coating on it. You'd think it almost looks like glass, but it isn't. It's metal. Speaker on top here. The finish is a smooth matte black. It's not textured in any way. Just a little raised area with a plastic lens insert. This side has the mini USB to update it, although it will update through Wi-Fi. Has a typical Escort power cord. And then this right here is a 3.5 jack with a little plug in it. Put that in there later, maybe. Oh, there we go. Bottom, 4 screws, of course the serial number and other information. Here's the front. The front is black, kind of a shiny black, as opposed to the sides, which are a matte black. And then here's one more view of the top. Okay. The suction cup is different only in that it has this magnetic mount, which is really tight. And the way it mounts is it has a little tab that fits in and holds it like that. You can't get it out by pulling it down, so if you're pushing on the buttons, it's very solid, but if you lift it up and pull it out, it comes right out. Has a suction cup, which is extremely sticky. I keep the paper on it until I'm ready to install it because it will pick up lint like crazy. It is ratcheted and locks down really solid. That's what the magnetic foot or shoe looks like. And then this is unchanged from previous models. Has a USB pass-through so you can charge your phone. Has button cord with the straight section. That's it. In my previous video, I pushed the buttons on this, so I'll go ahead and do that. You know, solid click, nothing special, doesn't feel cheap in any way. And the volume, plus and minus, is the only thing that's raised. You can see right here, little bump for both the volume up and down. All right, let's go ahead and plug it in. And it has a power on. And that's what the screen looks like. Pretty high resolution. Nice looking. Full color. It's interesting that this came on.
Powering down.
Other units that I own, they don't come on for the first time when you plug it in. But this one did. All right, that is an up-close look at the Escort IXC. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.